Number 2 says, toss a coin and then choose a digit from the digits 1 through 4. So we have two possible outcomes from the coin toss. It's either going to be heads or tails. And then we have 4 digits to choose from. So there are 4 possible outcomes from both the heads branch and the tails branch. So heads and then 1, heads 2, heads 3, heads 4, and then tails 1, tails 2, tails 3, and tails 4. So these are the 8 possible outcomes. Next, they are asking us to find some probabilities. What is the probability that the digit chosen will be a 3? So looking at the final column, there are 8 total outcomes, and 2 of the 8 have the digit of 3. So this is 2 over 8, which reduces to 1 over 4. What is the probability that the coin will land on tails? So that is 4 out of the 8 options. So 4 out of 8, which reduces to 1/2. And that should make sense because with the original coin toss, we have a 50-50 chance of getting tails.